You can get a jump on your challengers this season with sailing-specific fitness activities on MARQ Captain and MARQ Captain American Magic Edition. The sail grinding activity allows you to build strength and endurance in the gym. You can take conditioning onto the water too and prepare for what you'll encounter on race day. And you can train like the American Magic crew with 3 workouts: race simulation, fitness test, and intervals workout. For the best results on regatta day, you also want a tool that helps you hit the start line ready to compete, just as the gun sounds. As you're positioning, the racing app allows you to ping the start line on port and starboard as you pass. When the alert horn sounds, you'll activate the timer to match the official countdown to the gun. The virtual starting line shows your time to burn. You'll know precisely how many seconds you'll need to scrub, or how aggressively you'll need to approach the start as you maximize your speed. With world-class fitness tools and advanced regatta features on MARQ Captain and MARQ Captain American Magic Edition, you'll place yourself ahead of the fleet. For the master tactician who delivers exceptional performance in any condition, there's no better fit.